Hello people, and for this round, we're gonna show you how to disable auto scrolling on Instagram. So first off, we have to go to the top right with the three bars. This is our settings, and let's go over to settings and privacy and just scroll down and go over to data usage and media quality. Now once here, all you have to do is to turn on data saver. As you can see in the description, it says, when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. That actually disables auto scrolling on the reels. And so you just switch that on. And there you go. If you have any questions, just leave it in a comment down below. And if this video helped you out, you can always like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.